welcome to another video. Today I'll be doing another unboxing. Today this should be a Numatic John. So let's get into it. I mean, the pipe's sticking outside the box, which ain't a good sign, but you know, some people do not know how to package them, so hopefully this will be okay and not smell or anything. Anyway, let's get into it. So they've got some sort of packaging in the box, I suppose. That really, and it's just dumped in the box. So anyway, let's take the handle out. There's the bend. Ain't complete, this one. It's got a few bits with it. Got the floor tool, missing the parking bracket. Very good floor tools, these. Always using the one off my Lewis. Got that one there, and then I've got the machine and a hose. So yeah, here's the machine. Pretty mucky, if I'm honest. I've got a clip there. I don't know if my Lewis got a clip. Yeah, it does. But it looks in fairly decent condition. It obviously needs a clean up and stuff. Just take it apart. Filter's fairly clean on it. Got the tub and that. It does smell quite bad. But yeah, we've got John. Yeah, it will need a good refurb, this one. Original hose. I don't know how people can let these get in such a state. I mean, my Lewis is pretty much still near to new condition as possible. But yeah, we've got all the bits for it. So yeah, I'm kind of glad I didn't really get the full kit with this. Struggled to store attachments, as probably many other collectors do as well. But you know, let's just to move the box out of the way, quickly plug it in and see what it sounds like. There we go, plug that in, lights on the machine. Yeah, it works alright. Yeah, there we go. Should come up alright with a clean as well. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Like that. So there we go. There is the John. Let's take the hose off. I just want to have a look at it, compare it to my Lewis, which is over here, which I still have and I've had since when I bought it new in 2014. So yeah, I've got both of the machines now. So this was made on the 16th week of 2014 and this was made on the 18th week. So this is 2 weeks newer, but yeah, pretty much exactly the same machine, just a different name and different colour on them. But yeah, there we go. There is my new Numatic John. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.